How do you account for that? A murderer's skill with his blade.
That's the knife I bought Darian.
Right.
It has a deep scratch
Tired.
on the handle.
Very tired. Don't want anyone to wake me up.
You have sex with my client at the
When to wake me up.
5, 6, 10, 20 times?
I don't remember. He was my boyfriend.
And
With
how
my
many
eyes.
times did you work before the house school?
Twice. Sometimes 3 times a week.
Did you invite my client over for sex
Eee.
every time?
Yes.
Did you?
Not always.
And who ended your relationship?
You know what I do with you. Go with bowlers.
Would you fair to say you were in love with him?
Let me see. Let me see your
Would it
teeth.
be accurate that you were
Come here and show me your teeth.
he left? And this is a vindictive attempt to get back at my client, despite the I can only conclude that he's just not that idiot.
Objection. You can twist this however you want. But I bought that knife from a pawn shop.
Nothing further.
I looked at it every day for weeks, hoping it wouldn't get sold before I made enough money to buy
I
it.
said,
They're very healthy teeth.
Darius, and you can't twist that.
Your Honor, I'm done.
Call you next week.
The eye of the kitty.
Half an hour.
That's what his feet look like. Oh,
She's in contempt.
no, stick out. See his nail right there? It's a big kitty now. He used to be a little kitty. Remember how small you were?
I don't want to cause any trouble.
Look how small you were. Do you want to play a game with me? Will you play a game? Come on. Let's play a game. Where's the other kitty at?
Say reveal criminal activity.
What's wrong with the dog? She's dead too? Oh God, she's dead. Oh, she's alive. She's alive. Nugget, you're alive. Ooh. I touched him and shocked her really hard.